Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. I've been seeing a lot of buzz lately about AI, and honestly, who hasn't? But what really caught my eye was this article from Reuters all about how Meta, yeah, the Facebook and Instagram folks, are diving headfirst into making their own AI chips.
Whoa.
And I gotta say, that got my gears turning.
Yeah.
Why are they pouring so much into this? Is it all about saving some cash, or is there something bigger at play here? I mean, are they trying to become the top dog in the AI world?
Well, it's definitely a fascinating move, and I think the Reuters article really digs into some of the key reasons behind it.
Okay.
And you're right, cost is a big factor, but I think there's a whole lot more to unpack here.
Okay, so let's break it down. What exactly is Meta trying to do here?
So they're not just messing around with minor tweaks to existing chips.
Yes.
They're going all in on building custom chips specifically for AI training.
Okay.
And that is a big deal, like a huge undertaking, and it kind of shows just how serious they are about AI.
And it's not like they're newbies to this whole chip thing, right?
Right.
I mean, they already have their own chip for, what's it called, inference.
Exactly.
So what's the difference between that and training? And why is training such a budget buster?
Okay, so think of it like this. You've got a dog, right? And you teach it a new trick.
Ooh, I like where this is going.
That's inference. The dog's using what it's already learned.
Okay.
But training is like teaching that dog every single trick in the book.
So it's like boot camp for AI.
Exactly. And that takes a ton of data, a whole lot of computing power, and, well, time.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And Meta's not just stopping at recommending your next favorite cat video. They're aiming for generative AI, stuff like systems that can create brand new images.
Oh, wow.
Or even write code.
That is wild.
Yeah, so training those kinds of complex systems, that's where you need these super specialized chips.
Got it. Training is building the brain, and inference is like putting that brain to work.
You nailed it.
But, okay, developing a chip from scratch, isn't that, crazy expensive?
It definitely is.
How can they even be sure they're going to make that money back?
Well, cost reduction is a huge motivator here.
Yeah.
By owning their hardware, they can potentially cut down those sky-high training costs.
Right. Cut out the middleman.
Exactly. And it's not just about saving money, it's also about having more control.
I see.
Designing their own chips lets them tailor them for very...
To listen to the full podcast episode, please follow the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.